we're here at the Burgenstock Hotel, the main one, I think. We got a lakefront room, upgraded to full lake apparently, but uncertain if that's true or false. Listen, it's pretty sick. So you walk in, you can see like the sun adjusting. Big double bed. Honestly, nice alarm clock. Last place didn't have one. I never knew what time it was. Lights, little couch, something for your luggage. There's a fireplace if you just had to turn it on. Television. And I mean, this is what you're paying for. It's crazy. This is a full view. I think that's Lucerne is that way, if I'm not mistaken, but I literally have no concept. You get like this full little nook you can sit in. I think that's the sick pool is up there because they said that the spa's on the 4th floor. But yeah, listen, views are pretty insane. And then bathroom is this way, and it also looks pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. Big double sinks, has some doors that shut, just like roll through, but still like pretty exposed. Acqua da Palma, that's nice. Okay. Cute. And then I mean, like, this is pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. So you get your own tub, fireplace on that side, which is crazy. And then this view, which is nuts. And then there's a shower here, which is cool. And then you walk over here. I guess like a little water closet-ish vibe in here. That's the toilet. And then there is to hide all your stuff, which is always exciting. A little walk-in closet with fun stuff. Like, what do we got here? Okay, we're doing some laundry. Oh, cool, you get to take this bag for the time. I love a bag that they give you.
This is the shoe shine box.
There's a shoe shine box.
So if you have shoes that need to be shined,
okay,
you're supposed to put your shoes in here.
Okay.
Then call them.
And then
they'll come pick it up and shine them and bring
so
it.
we're gonna have to buy some new shoes. Yeah. And then otherwise, this is the closet. It's pretty cute, actually. Ironing board, which is pretty fire. I haven't seen one yet. And then there's this desk area, which is kind of cool. These are the little like welcome snackies, which like, listen, I'm not mad about. Mini fridge looks pretty fire. They said everything but the wine and champagne is included. So I guess, Ryan, let's start drinking all of those things ASAP. Espresso machine, kettle, some other little tings up here. And yeah, just some random stuff. Oh, there's lots of snacks in here. That's right. That's not what's been happening. Wow, look at how fancy. Look, they have little to-go cups in here.
The snacks, we're showing me snacks.
The snacks are in here. Like, I mean, these are so good. Oh my god, these are my favorite.
Interesting gummy bears.
Interesting selection of snacks. They even have Ricolas. That's an empty drawer. Okay, well, Alpine honey. You can get a Burgenstock Swiss Army knife. And this little cow. Okay, listen, this is beautiful. Okay, that's it. We love it here. Bye.